Yo, what's up? What's poppin'? Hope you guys are in the mood for some Italian, because it's young spaghetti arms Cantu and his bitch. Alright guys, so what's up, what's percolating, man? Today what I have for you guys is a ginormous eBay unboxing. Why'd I say it like that? Unbagging. I got some bags, I got some boxes, I got hella packages. Let me get all of them so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about in a visual representation. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, people. Boom. So here you go, man. I have a fat stack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parcels that I am going to unbag live for you guys today. These are all items that I splurged a little bit more on because they are from eBay. And some of you guys also sent me some stuff, and that's dispersed throughout this fat stack of parcels as well. So without further ado, let's get into it, boy. eBay unboxing. Paul Cantu is going down. Alright guys, so this first package is from Soul Original. I copped these shoes because I wanted them, and that's pretty much the basis of why everyone cops shoes. But on YouTube, it's more like you cop shoes for the views as opposed to what you actually like. You guys know, man, I'm really with representing stuff that I actually would wear on a day-to-day basis. It just kind of is what I feel goes with my style and that I particularly will like. So, bam, here's the box. This is an older Nike box, as you guys can tell. It's a very different rendition. Looks like a low-key, like, expired tangerine. Got a little bit of mold growing on it. So, yeah, man, here is the Nike box. Ooh, size 11 and a half. Some Blazer Mid Premiums Vintage QS. So, let's crack the top. Ooh, bam. White paper. That's to be expected. Oh my dick. Bro, that's an expression. Look at these shoes. Okay guys, so you might be like, whoa, what are those? So if you guys follow me on Instagram, which I highly recommend, at Mr. Paul Cantu, y'all will see me frequently rocking these shoes, but in the pink variety. And I really wanted another pair of these blazers in the pink colorway because I wear those pink blazers all the time. They have blue, like pastel, this green pastel, and then pink. And these are like from like an ice cream pack, I do believe. These I got for 70 bucks, brand new with tags. These were an older release. Let me find the exact day these guys had dropped. So these dropped in 2015. I acted like that was like hella long, but it's 4 years ago, damn. That's crazy. So these dropped in 2015. They're pretty hard to find. If any of you guys have these in 11 and a half or 12 in the blue, pink, or this little green color scheme, please hit my bitch ass up. I would like them. But these are like a pistachio ice cream genre of flavor, or like some mint shit might be going on. They have the little ice cream cone on the check, little waffle cone texturization. And you guys probably won't be able to see it. You won't, but on the inside there are like sprinkles just sprinkled on the insoles. So yeah, man, I just love these colors of kicks. Blazers are really cool looking. They got Nike on the tramp stamp on the back. As simple as it gets, and just a very interesting color. I love having like weird, wild, and colorful shoes on feet, so I definitely am happy about this $70 little sneaker purchase. So yeah, these are like the shoes that I'm copping, man. Definitely walking to the beat of my drum set.
I've been at the top for a while and I ain't jumped yet.
Weezy. Okay, so this next package, it's from Memphis, Indiana. I think this is just something I got off eBay. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is a little t-shirt that I copped. I think I got it for like 12 bucks. Oh, this is in clean condition. I was worried this thing would have like all types of mold neck stains on it. Bro, this shirt is in stupid clean condition. So it's that boy Bugs and Sylvester. Both of them, of course, in their like cross color / 90s attire. Very fly. Like, look at the sneakers. That's absolutely insane. And it's tie-dye, Looney Tunes tag. And the date on this bad boy is 1994. So I was alive, kicking, in 1 year of age. So yeah, just a cool little t-shirt, dope graphic. So I had to grab it. I thought I would like flip this guy to you guys. I might honestly, but I might have to rock this at least like 3 times. All 3 of y'all.
All 3 of y'all.
All right, so we'll go with this box right hither. This one I was in a bidding war with somebody about, and I fucking prevailed. and I got this item for like 13 bucks. Oh my God, hey. Dude, it's like Christmas when I do these, man. I appreciate you guys for like watching these too, man, because this is just like a passion project doing these little unboxings. But as y'all can tell, man, we got the Simpsons all up in a box. So yeah, man, Burger King, I guess, released these at Happy Meals, but you got Homer right here. You got Marge. You have Bart, Lisa, and whoop, Baby Maggie. So all these guys have like plastic heads, which is super cool. That's what I really like about like vintage like plushes and stuffed animals, is they have like plastic hard heads, and that's a easy indicator that they are older. And yeah, I guess these guys like came with your little Whopper Jr. or whatever the fuck you get at Burger King. I don't eat there, bruh. Who really does? No one knows. But yeah, dude, I'll probably line these up in the crib, do a little bit of decorating with these young animated plushes, and get it. Also, shout out for the blank white paper, a little sketch material. Damn, Marge got that fucking blue weave, bruh. She got that damn, what the fuck does it look like? Like, it looks like fish eggs, it looks like corn. She got that corn on the cob hair, bruh. Straight up. All right, so we got 2 more little bags of stuff. This one is from Jesus Juice. It's a brand. One of you guys actually came up with this little brand right here. And y'all blessed me with some gear. I checked out your site and it was cool. So if you guys would like to check out Jesus Juice, then go ahead and do that, bruh. And there's no religious affiliation. The dude just thought it was a cool name. So all you atheists, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can still cop shit. Looks like we have a few different tings up on here. Oh, got some stickers. Got, oh dude, this is hard. The Jesus Juice little green fanny pack, and it got the canned Jesus Juice all up in it. That is definitely dope boy magic. I love rocking fannies. And looks like the homie actually threw in a t-shirt right here. So it has cans of the Jesus Juice. I probably will rock this with like the shoes I got, honestly. It's like pastel multicolors right here. So nice, appreciate it. And oh yes, I love Pink Brothers. So you have the same design on this pink crew neck right here. Got the 4 little cans, got mouse up on them, about to sip on a little bit of that Jesus semen sauce. Yeah, I appreciate this, bruh. So thank you. Check out Jesus Juice if you feel inclined to do so. Beach. All right, now we have one more package. This from the homie Sam. His IG is right here. He like sells vintage out of Toronto, Canada. So shout out all my brothers north of the border, collecting syrup and shit and being real friendly. So he threw in this clean ass little care package, and he sent me this dope starter Minnesota Moose jersey. I've been wanting one of these for a minute. My homie Gronk let me rock one on my IG, and ever since I have not had one. And now it's gonna be a hot little minute till I can rock this because it's hot as fuck in Texas. But yeah, man, you got the little moose with the hockey stick right there, boy. And then he also threw in, I don't even know what the fuck this thing is. Oh, little Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Phil Collins' father, for all you guys who don't know your history. That's a lie. But threw in this little like, I don't know what the fuck this is, commemorative map that I guess you're supposed to paint in. I don't know, interesting, I'll take it. Now, last and not least in today's unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, we have a giant ass fucking grail that represents Houston, Texas, H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
It's H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
And here it is, man. I spent 80 bucks on this grail right here, and anyone in Houston will fucking appreciate this shit because I appreciate this. I saw this jacket on eBay for 300 bucks. I did not bite the bullet. And then I found it on some random ass vintage site and got it for 80. Here we go, people. Oh, bruh, this is dumb clean. Oh shit. Okay, man, I'm ecstatic. This feels like Christmas. So a lot of you guys might not even know who this is. This is Warren Moon. Started off in Canada playing in their little league and was the Houston Oilers quarterback. So this is an all over printed jacket. Oh my God, man. You got Warren Moon right there on the front about to lob that Wilson ball.
We could fly and go straight to the moon.
This is just a super sick piece. It's by Starline, and geez, man, I just cannot wait to rock and shock this in the winter in Houston, representing my hometown. You guys know Oilers on one sleeve, Houston on the other. Oh no, Moon on the other. Excuse me. I guess that like Buzz Aldrin map like makes sense now when everything is just aligned like this. But yeah, Moon on one sleeve, Houston on the other. Just that baby blue like the Travis Cactus Jacks. Red and black, man. It gets no better, no cleaner than this. On the back, oh, again, man, you got Warren Moon doing his damn thing. A legend. So yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to show you guys some little grabs I got off eBay and that some of y'all sent me. Tricks of the Thrift dropping soon, all that shit. If you guys need vintage gear, thrift-vintage.com. Go ahead and cop yourself something. We have a lot of drops occurring each and every single weekend. But yeah, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked and loaded, and I'm gone. If you guys want me to do a big ass P.O. box unboxing, I'll do that as well. See ya.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life by rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.